I'm Annette Kühn. I'm chair of the implementation working group Energy Efficiency in Buildings. The IWG Energy Efficiency in Buildings is a working group contributing to the European set plan, the Strategic Energy Technology Plan. The working group is composed of representatives of EU member states and associated countries like Turkey or Switzerland, and various stakeholders. And the stakeholders typically are large European associations, as for example the European Construction Technology Platform or the Heat Pump Association, and also large research institutes. In particular, we are looking for member state representatives who contribute on the one hand with their country perspective and in turn take our findings and best practices back to their countries. Our aim is to unlock the energy saving potential of the building sector in the EU and to accelerate the deployment of suitable enabling technologies. Thematically, we cover a broad range such as digitalization in the building sector, new building materials and circular economy, and also renewable and efficient heating and cooling. Due to the urgent need for transition in the energy sector and many new EU directives, we need to adapt our working program, and for that purpose we started to establish task forces to prepare white papers on our most important topics. Task forces are on digital planning and operational optimization and on clean heating and cooling technologies and thermal storage. We also cooperate with the Clean Energy Transition Partnership under Horizon Europe. And we are also preparing a session for the next set plan conference, which will take place in November.